Okay, this is the freeze miser. It's a great device. Uses thermal expansion to unseat the valve and let water drip out the bottom. And what it does, it protects your lines from freezing. They work extremely well. I've used them in the mid-20s. My pipes froze. I'm trying to protect the lines that are underneath my house. I have an elevated home. They froze in the mid-20s last year, even though I had the faucet itself wrapped. These units are working very well for me. All you're going to do is screw it on to the faucet, leave it tight, turn it on, and it's there ready to go. And when it starts freezing, it senses the temperature of the water and it starts dripping and protects the pipes. Now, if you put this on and it's below 37 degrees, it might start dripping right away, but give it time, it'll seal off. Since it doesn't drip when it's above 32 degrees, I just leave the faucet on all the time and I'm protected. I can go off for a week, and if it freezes, the unit's ready to be used. Last year in the mid-20s, these lines froze up, so just trying to cover this up is not good enough, and this system has been working for me. This system has proven itself in 25-degree weather. Last night it got down to 26. Only caution you need is wherever it's dripping, it's going to leave ice and it could be slippery. So you need to take that into account. One of the things about the device is you always want to make sure the nozzle is down so the water can drip out. If not, it's going to freeze inside of the unit itself. Okay, you can see all the ice down here. Got to 19 last night, so that's the ice that you got to be cautious about nobody trips on. You can see the unit, it's actually flowing a little bit harder than the drip here. It's flowing a little bit more continuously. Current temperature is right about 19, 20 degrees right here. So this is the other unit. You can see a little bit more water coming out of this one. Same temperature, roughly about 20 degrees. But this one has more of a little continuous stream coming out. So the amount of water adjusts to the temperature just to keep the pipes safe. Again, once the temperature is above freezing again, it shuts off. It's no longer dripping. Again, so all my pipes are safe. Nothing froze up. They do work. They're a good unit and I highly recommend them.